Welcome to another EasyODM walkthrough. In this video, we'll show you how to use template matching for precise image analysis. Let's get started. In the File Iteration window, click the Open Directory button. Select a folder containing the images you want to use for template matching. Ensure the folder is well organized with images relevant to your inspection task. Once the images are loaded, go to the Template Matching window and click the Add Region button. Drag the rectangle to the specific area of the image that will serve as your template. Adjust the size to fit the selected region with precision. This ensures accurate matching. Now click the Learn button and navigate through your images in the File Iteration window. EasyODM will analyze each image, applying the selected template to identify matching regions with precision. Matched areas will appear on the screen, clearly highlighted for easy identification. You can monitor the consistency of matches as you progress, ensuring the inspection meets your quality standards. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've learned template matching. Stay tuned for more walkthroughs and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.